Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A31 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the watermark, let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features. And at the last position here we have the watermark, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. For now let me keep this turn it on and let's go back to the camera and take a picture to show you how it looks like. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, and as you can see this is our picture with the watermark Samsung quad camera shot with my Galaxy A31. So this is how it works here, and of course when we don't need it we can easily go back to the camera and turn it off by going to this button again at the left, sliding to the useful features and tapping on this button. So for now when we take another picture this option is turn it off. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.